The information found in census records are like clues in a treasure map. You've got where the children were born, the date, how old they are on the census tells you an approximate year for birth. Marriage records, how long have they been married, their marriage status, whether they're divorced, widowed. Then look for their spouse. In the cemetery, church records, find probates, their occupation will help you to find them in a directory. So many clues to know where else to look. I'd like to share with you my favorite way to find census records in Family Search. Under the Search tab, select Records. Search for specific record types under Type. Click on Type and select Census. Add a few details about your ancestor in the fields above. Hit Search. My favorite way to find the census records are by this hidden little area called Browse All Published Collections. You have the option to select place, date, or collection type. Choose a country. Or just start filling in the title like United States Census. A list of all available collections is populated. You can select the one that you are looking for specifically. Census records are indexed so they're searchable by the computer. Start filling in the names for your ancestor and hopefully you'll find them. You might try other variations of names and different things in case the indexer couldn't read the handwriting. Use wildcards. Don't give up. You might try changing information like residence or other person. Once you find what looks like your ancestor, click on their name. Here you can see what the indexers collected from the census, but you'll always want to look at the original. There are more clues like how many children were born to the mother and how many are still living. I hope this has helped you to see how clues from the census, just like a treasure map, can lead you to find treasures, buried treasures, records of your ancestors by knowing the right dates and locations to search. Happy digging!